Hey guys, I just wanted to talk to you real quick about the essay for your STAAR benchmark. So I know this may be a little intimidating for you. Last year some of y'all may have felt like you're doing good to write a paragraph, but I just want to talk to you real quick about what makes a good STAAR essay. Okay, so number one, focus just on your prompt. There's a lot of stuff on there on that page, but all you need to focus on is the part that's this actual prompt. Write an essay explaining why it's important to keep the promises you make. That's what they want you to write about why it's important to keep your promises. Okay, so focus your writing just on that one idea. Then you want to focus just on one central idea, and you want to state it clearly. A good strategy to use, and we'll talk about it more later this year, is to flip that question into an answer. So the essay wants you to explain why it's important to keep the promises you make. So your central idea might be something like this. It's important to keep promises because ... So explain your reasons why it's important to keep promises. Then you're going to support the idea with at least 2 pieces of evidence. So this could be an example of a time you kept a promise or a story that you have. It could be a quote. It could be explaining how people are going to trust you more if you keep promises. What the consequences are if you don't keep promises. But you just need 2 clear pieces of evidence, and you need to develop both of those. Each one should be 3 or 4 sentences long. So maybe you have a story, and then you have an example of why it's good to keep promises, and a story about why people don't trust you if you don't keep promises. Those are 2 different pieces, and both of those should be 3 to 4 good sentences long. Okay. Your essay should have an introduction and a conclusion. So something at the beginning to catch your reader's interest and to kind of lead into the topic of your essay. And then a conclusion reminding them back to your central idea why it's important to keep promises. For your STAAR essay, ideally, you should be shooting for about 26 lines on a piece of notebook paper. If you're typing it up and using your word count feature, it'll probably be around 250 to 300 words. It all has to fit just on one page when you take the STAAR on your STAAR paper. So that's just going to give you an idea. So just make your best effort at it. But remember, focus it just on this prompt, why it's important to keep the promises you made, and get this central idea in there. It's important to keep promises because blank. If you do that, that's going to get you a long way down the road. Okay? Y'all have a great day, and bye.